TCNT and its subsidiary, Ainos, are devoted to developing medical rapid test technologies, enabling a safer world. TCNT's GMP-certified factory in Hsinchu, Taiwan, complies with ISO 9001 and ISO 13485 standards. TCNT and Ainos are developing biosensors and rapid test kits for pneumonia, sepsis, myocardial infarction, Helicobacter pylori, and vaginal infection. We are also researching rapid tests based on exosome. Now we'll introduce the Ainos Antigen Rapid Test Kit. Ainos' easy-to-use test kit delivers results in just 15 minutes. First, take samples of COVID-19 from a person's nose with a nasal swab. Second, mix the testing solution in the test tube. Third, insert the swab into the test tube. And roll the swab 3 times against the tube. Fourth, extract the sample from the test tube using a pipette. Squeeze the pipette and drop the samples onto the test kit. Finally, the kit will test the virus's spike protein. And in 15 minutes, will deliver the results of positive or negative. The kit works like a pregnancy test. The kit shows 1 line if tested negative, and 2 lines if tested positive. Further, Ainos has developed a novel technology, a complementary mobile application. This app generates a digital passport based on your testing results. You can show your negative test results as you travel to the places you go, helping you to feel safer and more confident to meet new people. Ainos Test Kit delivers excellent sensitivity and specificity. Unlike a PCR test, no special equipment is needed, and the test can be done anywhere. It's a great tool to test people at the borders or airports. Our test kit allows you to quickly identify COVID-19 so that you can help slow down the spread of the virus. Ainos Test Kit is a proud product of Taiwan. Our research and development team works with the Taiwan's National Defense Medical Center and National Health Research Institutes. Our factory is in Taiwan, and our equipment is made in Taiwan. Our key materials come from the United States. Ainos Test Kit, helping us better combat COVID-19 and creating a safer environment for all.